What is up, guys? Another video from UnFazed Cars. So today we are going to be doing an honest review about a very famous drying towel. Car is currently wet. Can't really see it, but I'll show you in a second. I'll show you now. Take a look at this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this, see if it's good. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it. I got this at UnFazed when he had his stand there. So we're going to check this out, see if it's any good, and I'll let you know my honest opinion about it. Let's get into this. Let's have a look. So first, let's open it. Get the seal off. And we'll get this little bad boy out. I will read it on the back. So it says Sam's method. Simply use a gentle wiping motion across the panel. Allow the weight of the towel to do the work for you to avoid inflicting any damage to the paintwork. That is some good advice. Use Sam's ceramic boost for an even safer and faster drying experience. Maybe we'll check that out. If this is any good, Mr. Sam. Oh, no. So it is vacuum packed as well. Look at that bad boy. I really like the packaging as well. The packaging is actually awesome. Pretty good. I like it. I'm just going to get this out now. I thought you might guys find this satisfying to open this and let all the air into it. I'm using my fingernails, I promise. Right. Wasn't that satisfying, to be honest. But keep going. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, this feels amazing. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that on there. Look at the fibres. When it focuses. Look. That looks incredible. This is the first time I've ever... Bloody hell, it's massive. How big this thing is. I like that as well, that's cool. He's got his own logo on the back as well. Right, so let's start with the bonnet. It's still wet, as you hopefully can see. I will bring the camera closer. So one swift motion and gently let it do its work. I don't think I have that on there solid enough. This might be a bad scientist. Yeah. It might just be the shape of my car. Let's see if using it I mean, that's pretty dry. It's not too bad. There are some patches, but it might also be because this is crap paint. So, so we'll try the wing, see if that's any better. Because I did actually put polish. Oh, yeah. That is so much better. Hopefully you can see that. That is completely dry. So moving on to the windscreen, let's have a look. Just letting the weight of the towel do the job. I'm just dragging it down. It's doing a good job, but I have a feeling I'm not doing it justice. See the mirror. I'm actually going to put some pressure against this, just to... Let's see if it works better that way. That is perfect. I'm not even kidding. Moving on to the door now. So we're going to do this side. I'm going to put some pressure on it, just so it relieves the just so it doesn't fall. I can't speak today. I am non-verbal. Anyway, let's do the bottom. I think this is actually a really good towel. I'm not doing it justice, but it is very good. Sorry if you can hear the rain outside. Right, we're going to do the back window. I'll do this half with this cloth and the other half with another cloth I have. So we're going to just wipe it from this side down. There we go. Look at that. So let's go get the other cloth. and we'll do that side. Right, I now have this cloth, so we're going to use this one. I got this from Hal Frauds. Yes, you heard me correctly. So we're going to do the other side of the window now. Oh, that is terrible. Look, difference between that and that. And I normally always use this one. And it's clean. Well, a little bit clean. It's got a little bit of stains on it, but it's fairly clean. But doing a second pass, still just smeary. Very smeary compared to the other side. Back with the sand detailing one. We'll go over where we just went with the Hal Frauds one. You can still see, I just think I've ruined it with the other cloth. But going over it, you can tell the difference. Oh, actually, look, perfect. Them smears were still there after using that other cloth, but now it's not. I'm not sponsored by this guy, by the way, just to let you know. I'm not just trying to praise his product. It is my genuine, honest review. But it is actually working really well. Don't get me wrong, my car might not be the best paint condition for it to be at its maximum, or work it at its full potential, but it is good. And I like the way it feels. It feels like a really nice cloth. Oh, look, perfectly dry. That is incredible. Just ignore the dodgy paint. Other window, which is the other side. Rear window. Start with the roof. Do that. Come down. Back on ourselves. Have a look. If I'm honest, there is a bit of a smear, but that might be me. But it's dry. It is dry, which is good. That is spot on. Look at the reflection as well. That's good. I actually really like this product. On to the last window now. Typical why I'm drying my car and it's raining, but let's do the passenger side window. That is practically perfect. On the door. I missed a bit. So all in all, this is a very good product. If you have a better paint condition car than me, that will be absolutely perfect. Don't buy these, honestly. Waste of money. Absolute waste of money compared to that. That is incredible. I'll show you the rest of the car. Car now completely dry. I did the rest off camera. So the roof is all completely dry. There is a bit of black appeal on some of it, but all of it, and look at the reflection. You can even see an IS200 behind you. That's how good it is. Back window, as I showed the difference, and like now it's not even smeary at all. And the rear, all good. This side, oh, I missed a bit. But yeah, it's really good. It is spot on. So all in all, I recommend this product 100%. It's very good, and packaging is incredible. The feel of the cloth as well, and the fibres in it, it's bloody loads, so it's like perfect. And it picks up a lot of water. I think, if I remember rightly, it can pick up something ridiculous, like 5-6 litres of water before it's full, and then you have to, obviously, if you buy 2, then you're sorted. But other than that, it's spot on for even something with not that great paint. So yeah, if you like the videos and you like review videos as well, like car products, cleaning products, any other products, even tools, I am a Milwaukee man myself, so haters gonna hate. But yeah, if you want to see that, let me know in the comments, and don't forget, hit that like, hit that subscribe as well. That'd be very much appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves and peace.